Bathroom Deep Clean. 10 tips and tricks for a summer-ready space. A clean and fresh bathroom can make all the difference in your home. As we head into the summer season, it's important to deep clean your bathroom to create a space that's ready for the warm weather. We'll provide you with tips and tricks to help you deep clean your bathroom and get it summer ready. This program is brought to you by CleanerOnCall.com. Tip number 1. Declutter your bathroom before you start cleaning. Get rid of any old or unused products and organize your belongings in a way that makes sense for you. This will make cleaning and organizing your bathroom much easier. Tip number 2. Scrub the toilet, sink, and shower are the most important areas to focus on when deep cleaning your bathroom. Use a disinfectant cleaner to scrub the toilet bowl and exterior, and wipe down the sink and shower with a bathroom cleaner. Pay special attention to the grout and any mold or mildew that may have accumulated. Tip number 3. Clean the mirrors and glass surfaces. Don't forget to clean the mirrors and any glass surfaces in your bathroom, such as the shower doors or medicine cabinet. Use a glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth to ensure a streak-free finish. Tip number 4. Wash your shower curtain and bath mat. If you have a fabric shower curtain or bath mat, toss them in the washing machine to remove any dirt and grime. Use a gentle cycle and a mild detergent to avoid any damage. Tip number 5. Clean your bathroom fixtures such as the faucet, handles, and towel rack can accumulate dirt and grime over time. Use a disinfectant cleaner and a soft cloth to wipe down these areas and remove any buildup. Tip number 6. Organize your bathroom cabinets and drawers. Summer is a great time to organize your bathroom cabinets and drawers. Get rid of any old or expired products and organize your remaining items in a way that makes sense for you. Consider using drawer dividers or small baskets to keep everything in its place. Tip number 7. Don't forget about the floors. The floors in your bathroom can accumulate dirt and hair and should be cleaned regularly. Sweep or vacuum the floors and mop with a gentle cleaner to remove any buildup. Tip number 8. Freshen up your bathroom accessories. Small changes can make a big difference in the overall appearance of your bathroom. Consider swapping out your old towels or adding a new shower curtain to freshen up the space. Tip number 9. Tackle any lingering odors. If your bathroom has a lingering odor, consider using an air freshener or diffuser to freshen up the space. Alternatively, you can create your own natural air freshener using essential oils and water. Tip number 10. Maintain your bathroom's cleanliness. Finally, it's important to maintain your bathroom's cleanliness throughout the summer. Wipe down surfaces regularly and stay on top of any clutter or mess that may accumulate over time. By following these tips and tricks, you can deep clean your bathroom and get it summer ready. A clean and fresh bathroom can make all the difference in your home and will ensure that you're ready for all the warm weather has to offer. So, roll up your sleeves and get ready to tackle these essential bathroom cleaning tasks. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more great content. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Leave a comment below and let us know what you think of this video.